This video shows how to use a blender safely. It's important to be very careful when using a blender so that your fingers never touch the sharp blades. Pour or ladle the soup into the blender. Don't overfill it as it could splash out of the top. If the saucepan is hot, use a pan stand. You may find it easier to have the jug from the blender on the work surface to do this. Next, make sure the lid is on the blender securely. Secure the lid and cover with a cloth. Then switch the blender on for short blasts, about 10 to 15 seconds at a time. When you've got the consistency you want, remove the cloth, switch off, and unplug the blender at the socket. Remember, pour or add the food to the jug. Secure the lid, cover with a cloth. Plug in and switch on at the socket. Turn on to blend the food using short blasts. Switch off and unplug.